CAPM certification is changing starting 25th of July 2023. What can you expect in the exam from here on? You can expect project management fundamentals and core concepts. This is something similar to what you can expect even today. Predictive plan-based methodologies. So this is your predictive, the traditional project management, right? So this is pretty much PMBOK 6. Agile framework and methodologies. So this is something new. You weren't really tested on Agile when it came to CAPM exam so far, but now you will have Agile. You will also have business analysis frameworks. The new exam will include 150 questions. There will be a 10-minute break, and you will get 3 hours to complete 150 questions. You can take the exam at a test center, or you can also take it online from your home. This is going to be a proctored exam, of course, right? So check out the new CAPM exam content. I will share a direct link to this document in the description of this video. But this is going to tell you how many questions you can expect from each of these domains, right? 36% exam questions will be from project management fundamentals and core concepts. Predictive plan-based methodologies will be 17%. More than this, more than predictive, you can expect Agile, which is going to be 20%. And even more than Agile, you can expect business analysis framework, which is 27%. Now, if you go further, you will also see core concepts, what they will be testing you on, right? All the domain, all the tasks they've neatly listed here. And obviously, this change comes into effect from 25th of July. And what that means is, as of today, if you take up the exam today, the present exam content that applies. We have playlists on everything that you need to go over to be able to clear your PMP exam. So check out our playlists page on the pmclounge.com website. I'll drop a link to that in the description, or you can directly head over to the playlist section of this YouTube channel. So again, just wanted to share that the current exam is available until 24th of July 2023, and the new exam is going to start on 25th of July. What you can expect is that you need to study business analysis for practitioners. So there is a business analysis practice guide that PMI basically publishes, and then there's an agile practice guide. So whatever that you studied today, you can do all that, plus the business analysis practice guide and the agile practice guide. Those are the two that you should add. This is essentially the new exam reference list, right? So all the books that they have mentioned, right? So the 7th edition of PMBOK, what all domains you need to study for the new CAPM, not the existing one. Then you again have PMBOK 7. This is for, this is basically reading about agile and the existing frameworks, the traditional frameworks, that is. And then the agile practice guide, what you need to read. Business analysis, you should also read Effective Project Management, Traditional, Agile, Extreme, Hybrid by Robert Wysocki. So this is again another book that PMI asks you to go over. There's another reference book here, Project Management Answer Book by Jeff Furman. Then you have PMI Guide to Business Analysis, something that we've already seen. So these are the kind of books that you need to go over to prepare for your CAPM exam starting 25th of July 2023. My suggestion, take the present CAPM exam. We have everything that you need to know to be able to clear the exam. Check out our playlist section. Check out the link in the description to a page that contains all the playlists that you need to go over to be able to clear the PMP exam. We have articles. If you're not into videos, you can head over to pmclounge.com. You will have all the articles that you need to go through. We also have relevant videos as well, right? So either articles or videos, whichever that you like, you can refer them to prepare for your CAPM exam. Wish you all the best. Just wanted to share this. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.